Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. For today's fish craft, we're going to learn how to tie-dye a fish scale pattern onto a t-shirt. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to create your fish scale tie-dye pattern. You'll need a shirt, a white shirt, or any white fabric for that matter. I washed it in the washing machine just to get off any sort of coating that may have been on it when I first purchased it. But I didn't put it in the dryer. I washed it in the washing machine, took it out, and rolled it in a towel just to make sure that it was damp and not soaking wet. You'll need some tie-dye. I've got two different colors here. Make sure you grab the gloves that come with the tie-dye kit or a pair of rubber gloves just so that you don't dye your hands. You'll need a washable marker and also some way of tying up the shirt or the piece of fabric. You could either use elastics. I've seen other people use sinew. This is actually waxed thread. And I've also seen people use some zip ties. So one of these three should work. Don't forget to cover up your work surface just to protect it and make sure dye doesn't get everywhere. This is just a simple garbage bag, a plastic garbage bag that I've laid out. And I'm going to start by taking this shirt and laying it out as flat as possible, making sure to get rid of all the creases. First by folding the shirt in half, and then in half again. And I'll flip one sleeve onto this side. And one sleeve to the other side. Next, using the washable marker, I'm going to draw the edge of the scales on. Starting at the bottom of the shirt, I'm going to draw sort of a shark tooth shaped or ramp shaped design that we will then use to guide us when we add the ties on. Starting at the bottom. And now to fold it. Along each line, you will fold the fabric sort of like an accordion. So almost like a fan up and down, grabbing a little bit each time. And I'm actually going to try the zip tie approach, further secured with an elastic. You want it as tight as possible. So when you're finished, you should have something like this. Right along the middle, we'll put one color, and on the outside parts, we'll put another. Don't forget to put your gloves on. And I'm going to start with the pink dye that I'll put right along either side of the zip ties and the elastics. And in the remaining white spaces, we will add the second color. Now, I've seen some artists place their work on a rack so that any drips fall right down onto the plastic. I'm just using a couple of baby wipes just to wipe down the surface before I flip it over. Now, double check the instructions on your tie-dye kit, but this one says to wrap the item in plastic and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. And once you've finished tie-dyeing your shirt, try it on and take a photo. We'd love to see it. Post it on social media and tag us at TackleShare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TackleShare YouTube channel to keep more fishing content coming your way. See you next time.